everybody, I'm Amy and this is your 3-day-a-week dumbbell program. This is a 4-week program where you will build strength, cardiovascular endurance, and mobility in just 3 full body dumbbell workouts per week. Each week also features a 4th bonus workout if you end up having time, and a 10-minute bonus burn workout that you can add on any or all of your days. Of course, within all of these workouts, I will give you lots of different options to work to your fitness level and be where you are today. We'll have both high and low impact options. You'll have options to go heavy or light, and of course, you can take it at your own pace. At the end of the 4 weeks, I'm hoping that you will feel stronger, you will have more endurance, and feel better overall. We'll increase in time and intensity as we go, but as we increase, you'll be getting stronger and feeling better. Are you ready? Let's do it.